Hey everybody, Chad Westport here. Happy New Year's. It is 2023, and if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know it's one of my missions to get new growers growing, and then to make those new growers better growers. One of the things that I've looked for and continually look for are easy ways for people to grow. Things that are less intimidating, things that will invite people to try it if they are on the fence. We all know a few people that are on the fence, and it'd be great if they grew too, because we can share our experience, our knowledge, and best of all, the results. So, for 2023, I want to share something new with you. And when I say share it with you, I don't mean just in this video. I mean we're going to do a giveaway. A company called A Pot for Pot reached out to me and said, hey, we've got a simple way for people to get growing. They have grow kits. It's kind of if you're using the sun, it's an all-in-one kit. You just need the water and the beans. But what we're going to do today is I've got one. We're going to review it. I'm going to grow in it, and you can win one. So I'll let you know how to do that at the end of this video, how you can win one of these yourself. But first, I want to go in and take a look at them and just break it down to see what's in the package. So we'll start with the package. The package itself came in a box like this. Now, it's not super sexy. It's just brown paper. Doesn't even say A Pot for Pot on the label there. It has like a normal business address. So if you're worried about having something shipped to your home or your post office box that says pot, weed, cannabis, reefer, ganja, oh my goodness, don't worry about it. Completely discreet shipping. So, you're saying right now, how can this be an all-in-one kit? What's in the box? Well, let's open it and go through it together. Alrighty, I'm gonna go at this like a Tasmanian devil. Oh man, they use good tape. It's not that easy. Ooh, okay. Okay. That's what we got inside. Take a look at the outside label real quick. So, the complete kit to grow at home. A pot for pot. Fun to grow, safe to consume, saves money. All of which are true. And that is why I encourage home growing. It's fun. Safe because you know what goes into it. Saves you money because, man, those dispo prices are tripping. Anyways, back to this. So, grow cannabis like a houseplant or in your garden. Seeds sold separately, and you know what? They actually give you a coupon code to pick some beans up, and I'm going to double that value because I've got one in here that's coming to the winner of the contest. This is the balcony edition. It's the 5 gallons, so that's what I'm going to be growing in. Let's see here. Making growing cannabis easy. It's got some good info there. Oh, I got to finish ripping it off, right? Okay. Ooh, there we go. So, grow your own cannabis. Let's see what it says here. It says, Grow Guide, Superb Soil, Topsoil Mix, Fabric Pot and Saucer, Seed Starter Kit, Trimming Scissors, Natural Leaf Shine, Rooting Booster, Watering Can and Spray Bottle, Smartphone Camera Lens, Seed Discount Coupon. Dude, did they leave anything out? I don't really think so. Let's open this up and find out. Alright, so let's get into our box here. Take off the cool little label, slide it off, boom, to the side with you. Standard package. Careful when you're cutting this open, you don't want to go too deep because there might be, bags of soil or something inside that you can slice through, so make sure you just go shallow. And, ooh, they actually put something that would stop it on the top. Good for them. Okay, so let's actually just start here. A Pot for Pot, Indoor Flowering Guide. You know what? They give a lot of instructions, and I want to go over that too here in a minute. The email support that they have, pretty cool. There is a very good support network through this company as far as helping people and getting them growing. Here is, ooh, I'm not going to show the back, but you get a $40 coupon for this company when you make your purchase. So the winner of this contest is actually going to get $80 because you're going to get this card. But I'll put that down so you don't see the code. Stickers! Who doesn't love stickers, right? Stickers, badass. Little plant tag, go for that. Okay, so we got our saucer, and it's not gonna break if it's, yeah, so good saucer. In here, we got our fabric pots. So I'm assuming this is, well, obviously it is the 5-gallon pot, but we'll assume that it fills the tray. Does it fit the tray? Hey, it fits the tray. Okay, so we've got those, our pot and our tray. Water bottle. Got the water bottle over here. That rocks. Okay, got that. What do we got? What are these things? I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Okay. Ooh, we got little bottles in here too. Dish soap. Do not ingest. Neem oil. Okay. So you see these? You get a close-up of these? Boom. Those come with it. That's kind of cool. That'll be interesting. We'll read all about it. Let's see here. Diatomaceous earth. Okay. Fungus gnats beware. Insects, creepy crawlies beware. These things are like little shards of glass. You put them on the surface of the soil. Anything crawling over it or on it is going to be sliced. Let's see here. Pot for pot. Rooting booster. Beneficial bacteria. Alright. We all know about that. Mycorrhizal is the magic which makes your plant and soil work in symbiosis. So let's see. Writing's a little too small to see exactly what kind it is right now, but there you go. You got this in there, so that should help. And actually, I'll give that a go earlier in a short moment. Ooh, it's a little mystery bag. It's like a black diamonds and pearls or something. That's a song reference. If anybody knows the artist, you're awesome. Oh, this is the loop for your phone. Yeah. So look at that. You get some different like accessories for your cell phone. Give you better look at your plants. Inspect your trichomes. We'll set that up here in a second. Man, they packed a lot into this box. Okay. We've got this. Ooh, maybe that has something to do with this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Little puck. Okay, compressed cocoa husk. So we've got 2 things of compressed cocoa core, which means we're going to have to do a little prep work. We'll cover that in this video too. Okay, so we've got that in there now. Ah, perlite. Every mix needs perlite. Why? Aeration. Roots need oxygen and water to survive. This helps keep oxygen and pore space in there for the roots. Doesn't allow the soil to get super compact. So, alright, got your perlite. Don't get this in your eye. This is basically blown up glass. Do not get it in your eyes. You'll go to the hospital if you do. So wear glasses if you need to, but just don't rub your eyes after touching this stuff. That's perlite. Careful of the dust there. We've got our pot for pot superb soil mix. What does it say here? A base potting mix for flowering plants, indoor, outdoor use. So that's what's going to go and fill up our 5-gallon pots. Not 1, but 2 bags in there. Again, this is for 5 gallons, so this should fill that up nicely. It gives you some information and directions on the back as well for best use. And finally, this box is actually empty. Holy cow. We'll put that over there, but oh, it's like Christmas. We just sweep it all back in. Look at all this stuff we got. Last but not least, in this kit, we had, oh, that just blocks all my light, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay, so we've got all this from the box. The last thing here was the trimming scissors, because after you grow a nice fat harvest, you're going to have to trim it. Let's check them out. It's a person who's used many in my life. Yeah, okay. Proper. Nice set of trimmers right there. So, as you can see, there's a lot in here. I'm going to read some of the directions and figure out our next move. Here's everything that was in the box laid out. Now, this is a lot of stuff. This is more than I was expecting, but this is really going to be all that you need, and the instructions are over there. I took a quick look at those, and I'm also conscious of how long this video is already. So I'm going to skip the complete setup in this video, but don't worry, I'm going to do another video setting this all up so you can see exactly how it goes. Now the important part, the part that you've been waiting for, is the contest. What are we going to do? How are we going to do that? When is it going to run? Alright, so we're giving away a pot for a pot. Has graciously offered to give away a complete set. If you want the 2-gallon or the 5-gallon, doesn't make a difference. Go and check out their website. Website is in the description. I'll also put it here along the bottom, but it's on the sticker too. apotforpot.com. Go check out their website, see what they have there. But as far as the contest goes, just gonna ask a couple things of you. One, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, the Chad Westport YouTube channel, and then go over to Instagram and visit them at a pot for pot. Give them a follow, and if you want to comment on them or send them a DM and say Chad Westport sent you, that's freaking awesome. But you don't have to send the message or comment on there. But do, please, go over there to their Instagram, give them a like. If you want to find me as well, give me a like, chad.westport. But really, the things that you need to do is, one, subscribe to this YouTube channel. In the comment section here, I want you to write what size you would want after you visit their website. You can also go to my Instagram, like the post I put up about this, and comment what size you want there as well. So, pretty simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, whether it's on my IG or the comments here, about what size you would want, and you're entered into the drawing at the end of the month. I'm going to let this go through January 31st, and then the first week of February, I will, we'll get the name, and then we'll get you in contact with a pot for a pot, and they will ship it directly out to you. And I just want to mention too, I don't have a discount code for this. This actually isn't an endorsement or a sponsorship from this company, but I got a friend who's working there. He knows that I'm looking for the easiest and the best ways to get people growing, and he said, I want you to try this. I said, well, that's cool. I want to be able to try it, but I also want to give one away. And they said, absolutely. So that's the deal here. To this video right now, we're gonna wrap it. We unboxed it. We saw everything that's in it. I'm stoked. I'm ready to get growing with this. I've got seeds I already want to pop, and yes, I did figure out what this is, and that's to help you pop your seeds. But that's going to be in the next video where I actually set all of this up. So, until then, please tell a friend, tell a new grower about this video, someone who you want to see growing. I would love for this kit to get into their hands. So please do that, and until next time, party on.
1, 2, Westport!